don't have a OPD.
Maybe we will have a different level rotation.
Common specialties.
We can also
place interns.
So people can come here actually for that.
We can place interns or residents and also that then we'll have able to mobilize
This will be more basically for the local people. As far as the GMC is concerned, all the outsiders that basically have taken over. So then our Goan basically has got to stand in line. While they got to look down for the others.
we are in the process of digitizing. So now
Then priority is something that is Goan should be, original Goan should be given the priority as far as even your medical services.
So this we will do. So you want to fix up a special. This you know the layout of this. Doctor, this main block.
Yes, and then find out who under whose care this is.
Which is under whose? Okay, so this will be under.
Fine. So it comes under CM. So what we'll do, we'll have a meeting with CM. I'll fix up this thing. We'll have a joint meeting with CM. Let CM personally come and inspect the site. That is for him see the place. And then he will understand.
What happened to actually requirement?
No, I don't know. No, I don't know. They have allotted something to IUC. I think that place can be given to IUC. The main is the health. Health is important. That is, this IUC is a part and a wing of the health.
This part of the building is really strong.
Yeah.
Right.
Minor refurbishment. Minor refurbishment. It will be fine.
These all buildings were renovated by that Dr. Gumantu. He had improved every infrastructure, the existing one.
Okay.
So it is in perfect condition.
Minor. And we can.
That is require the major response.
No, that is the problem. That is the problem. That's not. Basically, we have existing and ये वो मेन ब्लॉक या वो मेन ब्लॉक गवर्नमेंट पूरा होता है ठीक है हाँ कैजुअलिटी की फैसिलिटी
OPD no, OPD.
I think this crime branch can be moved out. That is why I other but this is the main which was earlier where medical was there we want the same places.
Also, what happens is hostels and all we don't need. We need the main block.
And the doctor will be looking for them the residents will be okay. We can see that utilization of that. But first we'll have a meeting.
What else now?
Right. So those quarters can be
Nurses quarters are there.
Now, from our side, we will give full support. That's why I requested Dean, I said, DHS and what you want those specialists and all that we can organize. From our side, backup, we have a plan. Only thing is the area to be given.
Yeah, so whatever, I'll fix up a meeting with you. Okay. Let's see, I'm personally come and see the
We'll fix it up.
Yeah.
We'll fix up. We are on.
Smart city would have been able to. Now it's not on the same only. So they will do it. Either the GSIDC takes it or someone else takes it. It makes no difference to us. As long as work is to be done. No, I got the point. Agency are not bothered about. Yeah. No, I will push it. Okay. The thing what we have allotted, the thing what we have allotted to us, this is not the part of it. We don't require crime development or here. No, we can be moved to the police station. And they have a big barricade garrison there in IT. Yeah. So they can fix their thing. Because of this, there's no other way.
We had a meeting actually today and we discussed only the modality. Suppose we have to run it. Then we can put the intern, especially what is the this I had not changed. First time I've seen. But this you can't run anything. No, not leaking.
No, you gotta. सर आज इन्स्पेक्शन केलेला आसा
या आज इन्स्पेक्शन केलेलं असं तुम्ही
Inspection, my friend and आमचे former minister and आमचे पेंजीम कॉन्स्टिट्युएंट आमदार श्री बाबूशान आमकां म्हाका रिक्वेस्ट केल्ले की आयज कंपल्सरी कसले परिस्थितीन डिले न करता हे आमकां हेल्थ सेंटर प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर मार्गार घालपाचे गरज आहा. And we have been talking, actually we just fixed the date today and as a Dean Goa Medical College Dr. Bandekar आमचे Dr. Disa आम्ही आयज ऑलरेडी जेन्ना श्री बाबूशान सांगलेले की आपल्या हेल्थ केअरा खातीर हांगा फेसिलिटी जाय आमचे मदीं आमी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस केल्ले आसा की फेसिलिटी हांगा जाल्यार आमकां गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज आनी DHS इंटिग्रेटेड आमी केअर लोकांक दिवपाचो प्रयत्न करतलो. ह्या बिल्डिंगेक इतिहास आसा. आमी गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज जेन्ना चालू आसली पणजे तेन्ना हो भाग आमी डिलिव्हरीज आनी पेडियाट्रीक आनी बाकीचे गोश्टीक मेडिसीन आमी हांगा ट्रिटमेंट दिताले. पूण मेन म्हणजे कित्याक की बिल्डींग आमी आतांच श्री बाबूशान सांगल्या प्रमाणे आमी चीफ मिनिस्टराक परत रिक्वेस्ट करते की मेन ब्लॉक हो जो आहा हो हे प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर करपाक एंड ऑलरेडी चड काम ना ते रिफर्बिश करून आमकां दिवंक जाय. पूण आमकां जे अलॉट जाला ते कंडिशनान ना आमी सुरू करपाक. आनी मेन म्हणजे कितें गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज एंड DHS आमी इंटिग्रेटेड अशी फेसिलिटी म्हणजे ह्या basically the people around this area will be in a better position to get quality health care. We'll create even an emergency center, emergency facilities, and also a 30-bedded, what we were discussing, minimum a 30-bedded facility is a must for this area, because this will not only cater to this periphery of Ribandar and all this, but it will create right up to Diwar and all these areas. We'll have and periphery right up to further up this Old Goa and other areas. This can become the focal point. Healthcare is very important, and as far as my commitment to Shri Babush is concerned is that both GMC and DHS will put all the things in place, whatever is required. Once we get this, after talking to Chief Minister, what we have discussed is we'll ask Chief Minister to come and inspect, and we will request him to give the main block. If the main block is given, then we'll be in a better position to immediately start and provide all the facilities that are required. Actually, this is a building that has got a history, and it has been with the Goa Medical College for so many years. Only after Jim came, then it got transferred when GMC went to Bambolim. But this we need to talk to Chief Minister, and if, I'm sure with Shri Babush and myself, we will convince Honorable Chief Minister to give us this area to start the primary health care center here with a minimum 30-bed facility, which can be grown later, but with all the specialties, so that we are able to provide quality health care. It is not just for namesake that we want to start a primary health care center. It has to be a full-fledged primary health center, because the area that you cater to is very large. And my commitment is there to Mr. Babush Monserrat is that what he has requested is a justified request, and we must get it done.
सर
Yes, that is enough, no? Time
नो
is-
व्हॉट इज यस
No, we just had an inspection with the Honorable Health Minister. And actually I was surprised to see the place which had been allotted to us, to nursing, because I feel that place is not even sufficient to have a dispensary of a hospital. And the place is really in a bad condition. So I will have seek an appointment with the Honorable Chief Minister and with the Health Minister, and I will tell the Honorable Chief Minister basically to come personally to inspect the site. And most important thing is the main building, the block, the original, which was the medical center. That the main block should be allotted to us.
So, like the health minister has said, 30-bedded hospital is okay. What are the facilities you would like to see? Any which facilities?
So we want basically all the facilities to be put in place. Just because, see, we don't want anything to do something because of namesake. Just because we said something, we need to come up with something. We really need, because this is the need of the hour, and this is the need of the people of Ribandar. The Ribandar people have been neglected for quite some time, although they have been a part of the CCP. Even I think CCP has been giving step-motherly treatment as far as Ribandar area is concerned. So I am trying to state it very clear. Whatever the need of the people of Ribandar is there, that needs that we will see that it is fulfilled.
Okay.
And I will tell the Honorable Chief Minister just to come for an inspection, and that to allot us the main block for this medical center.
This daycare center was proposed under the Smart City Fund. Now they're proposing a
No,
full-fledged
smart city
center.
can't speak. Because I thought, as far as the funds are concerned, the smart city, either smart city or the GSI, these are the two agencies basically would be able to do the job faster. Otherwise, basically, if you go to the other, if they will go to the health department, the tendering process and all, basically, that will take some time. So that they also have the funds as far as GSIDC and smart. So that would not be a problem. So that's the reason I had suggested that we should go through the smart city. The plan has already come as far as the smart cities is concerned.
Now the people of Uganda, they are actually saying that they want a full-fledged hospital, not a health care center. Now full-fledged means they want the entire area to be utilized.
Primary health care, a PHC is what can happen here. It can be called a community health center or a primary health center. If you look at the community health center in my constituency, you look at the community health center in Bicholim, you look at the community health center in Pedne, you look at the community health center in Sanclem, you look at it. It is a concept. Primary health center can also have all the facilities. And what we are saying is it's not only going to be under DHS. A primary health center should be a primary health center where the 30-bedded people are well taken care of. There's also emergency setup. Diagnostics, a certain amount of diagnostics should be made available, and also we are able to ensure that people are immediately taken care of here. See, the area, primary health center and community health center, the difference is in terms of the population that it caters to. Now my area is called the community health center, but what we are saying is it is not the once you get the main block, in the main block we can carry out sufficient activities right from the casualty, and we are saying we are integrated with the Goa Medical College. So we can place certain interns and other people here so that people get good quality 24/7 care. We are not saying just like an ordinary PHC or a CHC, it is going to be run. It is going to, if we run it, it has to be run very professionally with integration between DHS and Goa Medical College.
You spoke about 30 bedded. Is it really 30 bedded or will like...
You must start somewhere. Tomorrow if you don't start...
So we need to get some place. But the moment we get one place, we'll grab the balance of place, we'll grab it.
The locals have been asking for CT scan,
Yeah,
MRI
that's
machines and all in their petition. Is that feasible?
See, everything has to start, and GMC also is there. Plus, we can keep mobile. Today, when we are dealing with COVID, we are having mobile ultrasound, mobile facility. There's so much conceptual change in the thought process. Ultimately, what the people want, they want care. If somebody comes for diagnostic, they want immediately their blood diagnostics, everything. You have auto analyzers and several machines kept there. Suppose somebody wants an X-ray, you can have a mobile X-ray machine. You can have multiple things that are there, so immediate care of the person is taken care of. But anything, if there's something more complicated, the person has to go to Goa Medical College. Today, when we are dealing with the whole of COVID, the critical center is Goa Medical College only. So all these have become like peripheries for us. South Goa District Hospital, we started the ESI Hospital, we got the Ponda Hospital. So same way, here what the people want, we will not start something mediocre. We will start something where people get care here and they are able to understand what is happening with their body, and same thing is what is the illness that they have. Diagnosis will be proper, and what I am saying is that we will have senior specialists from GMC visiting this. There is a history to this. This cannot be run just like that. So people from Goa Medical College also will be placed here. The interns can be placed here. DHS staff can be placed here, and we run it in a very different model. What Babush is saying is that it is not only restricting its activities to Ribanda. This is going to open up its doors to all these other areas which otherwise have to rush all the way to Goa Medical College. So we need to take this seriously, and we will both take it up.
So first initially it would be 30 bedded hospital.
परत 30 bed
You are trying to instigate
बाबूश कितें म्हणटा तें सुरवात जावंक जाय आनी बऱ्यापैकी सुरवात जावंक जाय म्हणून आमी मुख्यमंत्री कडेन मेळोन आमी मुख्यमंत्रीक रिक्वेस्ट करून दोगूय आमी वचून मेळोन डॉक्टर डीन आमी सगळे आनी मुख्यमंत्री गरज पडल्यार इन्स्पेक्शनाक हाडपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो आनी मागीर आमी डिसिजन तेजेर घेतले पूण डिसिजन हे डेफिनेटली वॉट बाबूश वॉन्ट्स विल बी डन नॉट mediocre but it will be done so that the people are happy with the facilities provided.
By when can you see this coming up?
So unless we meet Chief Minister, we cannot give a timeline. Once we meet the Chief Minister, bring him here for inspection, then you ask me for timeline, we will give timeline.
Now ball basically has started rolling. So now it will be done in a fast manner. Thank you so much.